It's the baby hairs for me. The baby hairs, baby. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're here to see how I created this effortless natural slave ponytail on 4C, completely natural, please stay tuned for the rest of the video. This to that. So here we go. Good edge control. I'm using Hicks edge control today. There you go. Some bonding glue. One of the main things for real when you going into like a natural slay, because I don't know, I feel like sometimes when we go to a natural slay, I mean, we wear weave and stuff, it kind of prevents us from like getting, you know, just that extra level of intimacy with, you know, our little boo or whatever. So whenever I go natural, I want my hair to smell so bomb. So when I'm, you know, laid up, you know what I'm saying, whatever, it smells amazing. He's just like, you know, what is that? Your hair smells so good. He can, you know, put his fingers through it. He can pull it, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You ready. So one of the main things that I did for my weave was this silicone mix. Like, you want to definitely, so wash, shampoo and wash your extensions, which I use this Maui shampoo and conditioner. Your pass by air just smell bomb, you know what I'm saying? So did that, and then also you're gonna need some type of spritz. This is what I got to be glue. Okay, y'all, I'm back. What I'm gonna do is go through and brush it out, and then I'm going to flat iron it.
So that is what she said, and then Quavo ended up responding later on. Quavo says, "We had an unfortunate situation almost a year ago. We have both learned and moved on from. I haven't physically abused Sweetie, and I have real gratitude for what we did share overall."
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt?
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. What happens up there? There's the word is again. See, but when
Dust
you got
yourself
it again,
off
then
the
you
chart
got mine.
again.
Okay.
What I do, coming home back to you every night.
I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can feel your halo. You better shut up.
I just wanna show you off. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything. Thank you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Making you select.
Okay, boom. Now that it's all straight, pressed out, turn around, show y'all what we got. Probably ain't straight. Go in with this next layer of glue. I'm gonna make sure the ends is really got. Sometimes we forget to like really.
Your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare. Cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to toe.
Okay, after you blow dry it just a little bit, go in with your holding spray and spritz it just a little. Oh, make sure you're getting directly on the track here, only on the track. It's gonna be foolproof and all that. Okay, see what I did there. Hopefully I got it on the part. Done here. tracks to be able to record on the camera. First it died, then I didn't have enough memory. Now we're gonna do the top.
Keep us together, hope it's worth a try.
And if you can see, like, I'm not going into the sides of my hair. This side is so broke, but I'm not going into the sides of my hair. I'm just keeping it like right here. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I had to go find me some more tracks because it's a little thin on this side.
I need the reassurance every now and then. Love ain't a game full of X's and O's. I done been played before. I played it safe before.
Now then, let's go in and do these baby hairs. And then I like to have one right at the peak arch of the eyebrow. I know y'all about to be in the comment section going hard. I mean, maybe y'all should be, but there's a certain look that I'm going for with the baby hair, so I gotta trim it a little bit. So I'm gonna trim mine. Of course, you ain't gotta trim yours if you don't want to. Because I don't want to use a gel or anything, so I'm gonna use this as I am cream just to kind of go up. Okay guys, this is the final look, so let me know if you like it. It's the layers for me, you know what I'm saying? It's the layers for me. I like the placement of the ponytail, how it's kind of back, you know what I'm saying, but still very much at the top, giving you a little height and volume. And like I said, I did go through and just bump the hair just to give it a little bit of a bounce to it. I did go in and cut some layers into the ponytail so that it falls a little shorter at the top, you know how a natural hair would do, and then kind of longer and fuller at the bottom. Now I did go ahead and change out my ponytail holder because I did want, this one was too big, so it was making it kind of sit up, and it was taken away from the simplistic vibes that this was giving, you know what I'm saying? Because that's giving just, you know what I'm saying, natural ponytail, versus this one was stacking it up too high, and I was like, that's not what it's giving, that's not what we're going for. So like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. If you want more content like this, just let me know in the comments below and we will get it right to you. Thanks for watching, and please have a blessed day.